Have you ever had a car that cranks but refuses to start? Suddenly stalls while driving, or feels like it's misfiring for no clear reason? One small but extremely important component could be responsible: the crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor, often called the CKP sensor, is the part that tells your car's computer exactly where the crankshaft is and how fast it's rotating. In simple terms, it helps the engine know when to spark and when to inject fuel. Without accurate information from this sensor, the engine can't run properly, or at all. Every time the engine turns, the crankshaft position sensor monitors the position and speed of the crankshaft and sends that data to the ECU, the engine control unit. The ECU then uses this information to control ignition timing, fuel injection timing, and engine synchronization. This is why the crankshaft position sensor is so critical. If it fails, the engine essentially loses its sense of timing. Now let's talk about what happens when the crankshaft position sensor starts having problems. One of the most common symptoms is hard starting or no start at all. The engine may crank normally, but it won't fire because the ECU doesn't know when to ignite the fuel. Another common sign is engine stalling, especially when the engine is warm. You might also notice misfires, rough idling, sudden loss of power, poor fuel economy, or the check engine light coming on. In some cases, the car may start and run fine when cold, but once it heats up, it shuts off and refuses to restart until it cools down. That's a classic crankshaft position sensor issue. Now let's talk about what happens when the crankshaft position sensor isn't completely bad, just dirty. Over time, the crankshaft position sensor can become covered in oil, metal shavings, dust, or carbon buildup. This is especially common because the sensor is located close to moving engine parts. When it gets dirty, it may send weak or inaccurate signals to the ECU. The result is inconsistent engine behavior, random stalling, hesitation, delayed starting, or poor fuel economy. If a dirty sensor is not cleaned, the problem usually gets worse. The ECU may struggle more and more to read accurate engine timing data. Eventually, this can lead to frequent stalling, repeated no-start situations, and long-term stress on other engine components. And if the crankshaft position sensor is faulty and not replaced, the consequences can be serious. The engine may stop starting entirely. You could get stranded without warning. In some vehicles, a failing sensor can also cause damage to the catalytic converter due to improper fuel combustion. At the very least, the car will become unreliable and unsafe to drive. The good news is that the crankshaft position sensor is relatively inexpensive compared to the problems it can cause. Cleaning a dirty sensor or replacing a faulty one early can restore smooth engine operation, improve fuel efficiency, and prevent unexpected breakdowns. So, if your car is stalling, misfiring, or refusing to start, don't ignore it. That small crankshaft position sensor might be the reason your engine is crying for help.